Hello guys, this is a second tutorial for practice 3D in AutoCAD, and this is a second exercise, and you can see this is a very basic part we are taking right now for practice. And in this part we have a three circle. This is a 90 uh, diameter circle, and second one is a 78 uh, diameter circle, and third one is 50 diameter circle. And here we have a 10 line for the prepare the part. So we are taking first, we will take first circle. So shortcut for circle is C. Press C, click enter, and here we will draw the first circle, which is 50 diameter. So right now I'm taking radius, so it is 25. Radius is 25. Okay, and you can select from the here. You can see we have so many options. Diameter we can also take, so we are taking diameter right now. So we will take the second circle, which is 78 diameter. 78. Okay, press 78. Here you can see this is the diameter. Press enter for the again command, again use command, and take the center point. And here you can see 90 we have to, like, okay, this is a taking radius. Okay, so taking radius, I'm taking radius which is 45 Okay, here we will draw the line for the reference. So here we have so many options. So I'm taking line. Okay, here I will go 5 again I will draw the line, enter, again enter for the again use command. Here I will take 5 okay, press enter. Okay, here you can see we have draw the reference line. After that we will trim, TR and double enter for the trim. Okay, here we will select the extra part and remove this line. Okay, remove this line. Okay, sorry, I have to remove this line. Okay, and again this extra part we have trim, and this double enter. Okay, this one I have to delete it. Press delete. Okay, this we have this part. Okay, again we are trimming this part, this line. Okay, now I have to do for the all side. So we will use array command for save our time. Okay, so AR double enter, sorry, single enter for array. Here asking for the array select object, so we have to select the object. So we have three objects, this and this. Press enter. It is asking for rectangular path polar, so we have polar. Okay, now it is asking for the center, so we will give center. Here you can see it is drawn, but we have take 16 item. This is a 16 item, so here it is asking for item. So you can simply click on your keyboard I, or select here, select from also here I. Okay, we have put 16 for we have a 16. You can count also 16. Press enter. You can see it is completely drawn. Okay, now we have to trim mid section, so we can use shortcut command for trim, inside trim, but right now we will use normal trim, TR double enter, and we can trim this line. In the next video we'll see shortcut also. So in this video we will see normal trim. Okay, so I have completed, and you can see the thickness of this part is 10 Okay, for change the view you can like here you can change isometric. Okay, you can take any view as per your requirement. Here we have to change the view right now 2D frame, and we have to do realistic. Okay, for provide the thickness of the part, we have to command press pull and extrude. So we will see extrude, ext. Okay, extrude. For extrude, like we have to join this line. Okay, but for press pull, pre, press pull. Okay, we do not require to like join the line. Okay, so here we will provide the thickness 10 mm. You can see our part is completed, and right now I'm going to provide the color. So enter PR for property. Okay, PR, enter, select your part, provide the color whatever you want. I'm providing red. Okay, press enter. You can see your part is complete. You can see, and for rotate the view, press shift and press the mid button on your mouse, and you can rotate this. Okay, shift and mid button, which is wheel of the mouse. Okay, you can see our part is completed. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel.